I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I'd like to welcome you guys to a different type of adventure. It's not exactly a hidden gem, because Stormy said, no pool. Because this used to be my stomping grounds in the 70s. And a little bit of the 80s. But over the years it had changed. Beautiful sound of bells, isn't it? Perfect timing right now for a vlog, huh? But guys, we're at a place called Todd Creek Memorial Park. Right behind me, and my dog is pulling me. Well, right there. Okay, we're going to try to get, not exactly beauty, get some things around here, do some talking. Let's just go with it, man. All right, one poop later, I decided not to do music, guys. Not on this video. I'm going to show you as we walk, and we'll do some talking. Yeah, this video won't have no music. You know, it's good to do that sometimes. My friend Scarlett likes it when I don't put music to him. She's like, Mike, well, she calls me Bubba. She's like, I like it when you guys talk and you're moving about. I said, but Scarlett, music goes good with the beauty when I'm on the trails and stuff. She's like, but you know me. But yeah, back here, oh, this looks huge. Let me turn around. My gosh, for some reason this ball field looks so huge compared to where I walk. I don't know, it's just the fence, I think. But back years ago, this used to be my stomping grounds. We've not been here, what would you say, walking this in about 3 years. We actually found, I think it was a dollar bill over on that other side. Okay, I want to tell you guys something funny real quick. For you pet owners out there, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you do this with your pets? Now, on the way over here, Stormy gets really excited. She sees people, she wants to bite them, eat them up. So I told Stormy on the way over here, I was like, young lady, I will pull this car over and we will sit here until you start acting right. Then it hit me. I've never, ever said that to my children. Ever. But I said that to my dog. And I tell you, he used to say that to me when I was growing up. When I was a kid, was my father used to say that. And I can't believe I said that to my dog. Angie looked at me and says, really, Michael? I was like, yeah. Now, none of this stuff right here, let me swing around a little bit. None of this was here when I was a kid. No, I'll show you the part that was here when we get up further, but none of this was here. You know, hey, I put this in here. It's a little walking path. Hell, if I lived in the town of Lawrenceburg, by the way, that's where we're at, Lawrenceburg, Indiana. If I lived here, I would probably use this as my walking every morning. It's a nice little circle around. I say about, let me take a wild guess. It could equal close to about the size of the football field I walk now, which is baseball diamonds and all that stuff. I say it might equal to that, so maybe about a lap and a half around might equal a mile. Just a rough estimation. This is kind of neat, huh? They have a place where you sit down. This will work out great in the summertime to read a book, you know? And right there's the ball fields, baseball fields. Yeah, just look at you. Just look at you. Down here trying to get all these smells. No, don't go in there. No, you might get burrs. We had that problem last week. Let's look at you. Not a care in the world, but Daddy, this smells so good. All right, come on, girl, let's go. Nope, you don't want to go, do you? You already got burrs on you. Look at you. Stormy, sit. You got burrs on top of the girl. Sit down, sit. See, guys, she's not even wanting to listen. There's so much out here for her to smell. She's in another world. There's also dog parks down here, and somebody's got their dog inside the dog fence, and there's glass. I don't want Stormy hitting that glass. Oh, for God's sakes, people. Okay, good. And of course, Stormy has to be all brand new. And hey, we're gonna stop right here. There's glass all up through here, and I don't want Stormy getting cut. Guys, let me get back with you on this one. So I gotta walk my dog through here, and I sure in the heck don't want her on any glass. Oh my gosh. Trying to do a video. You guys see it the way it is. This is uncut, man. But right behind me is the dog park, and there's a doggy over there. Stormy wants to go over there and be a Billy Badass. I don't understand my dog sometimes, I swear. She wants to go there and just act like a bully. Now, take my word for it, back when I was young, and this used to be my stomping grounds, this kind of was here, but nothing like it is today. Back then, it was just about the length of this, but not as wide, nowhere near as fancy. Back when I was young, this was kind of like a little teeny narrow pond. And we tried to fish it, nothing happened. But I tell you what I used to do. Now, there used to be a hill that kind of went up on one side of the pond. And I would take my bike way up yonder there, and I'd ride that sucker down here as fast as I can and tried to ramp the whole pond. Never made it. We crashed the bike in the pond many times, swim out, and keep repeating it. We knew we wouldn't make it, but we also knew we would land in a pond and we would be safe. Okay, if any kids watch this, don't do this today. Believe me, that was not smart. I could have been easily hurt or killed. But back in them days, you know, I wanted to be a stunt man as a kid, and I did some really foolish things. No swimming, no boating, no ice skating. As you notice, it says nothing about fishing. But I would almost guarantee there's no fishing here. Then again, I could be wrong. Mother Nature does find a way. And right over here, guys, let's go over here and look at this. I've never been on this. Because the many times we've been here has been in the summer months. Let's go up here and look at this. Now you got your skateboard park right here. Ain't this kind of fancy? Didn't have this stuff when I was a kid, that's for dang sure. But here's a skateboard park. Yeah, I've never been up here to walk around this because all the other times it was children here. Yeah, this has been here the many times we've been to this park, but never could come over here and be nosy. There's always kids on this side, but wow. That's something I never was ever good at, was skateboarding. I did it as a kid. I tried it. I had some friends that were skateboarders. I think I broke my foot once on a skateboard. That's something I've never ever done. Holy. Wow. I'm sitting there thinking, I'm looking, here, let me show you. So many angles, so many turns, so many dips. It's mind-boggling though. But to a kid, to a skateboarder, this is probably paradise right here. To have something this neat, this is definitely paradise. Wow, look at this. That's straight down right through there. It's like a swimming pool. I wonder if this ever holds water if we ever get a lot of rain. I bet you it do. My gosh, this is actually kind of cool. That's what it reminds me of, is a swimming pool. Exactly what it reminds me of. I hope this mod is working, because it is windy. And that wind has a nasty bite to it. But we're going to walk across the bridge I have here, and obviously this wasn't here when I was a kid. But it's quite beautiful. Let me show you the bridge, then I'll talk to you as we're walking through the bridge. Here's the bridge going across here. It's quite beautiful. Now that building right there, I'm not sure what it's called, but they have wedding receptions there. Actually, there's the pool, isn't it?
That's the pool.
Let's go look at the pool for a minute. Now I'll tell you why when we get over there, guys. That wind is blowing like crazy and poor Angie's cold. But the pool I showed you that was under construction the other day, well, back about a week or two ago, is supposed to symbol this one. But honestly, now that I'm looking at this one, it doesn't look like it's much. Let me show you what I can see. And yeah, let me just show you. This right here is just the pool part. They're supposed to have a water park here too. I imagine that's way over there. Yeah, here, let me get down here for a minute. Yeah. I imagine the water park is right over there.
No, the water park is at the front of the...
Oh, it's at the front. Okay, so it's beyond that building.
You can kind of see the red and the white thingies.
Yeah.
Way over there. But you can't see it all.
Well, the pool that I showed you the other day, guys, is supposed to resemble this. Today's purpose, we want to show you something a little different. Now, we are going to get back into hiking in the next couple days. The wife and I somehow was able to get a couple days off. So we're going to try to, hopefully the weather permitting, it looks like it's getting ready to snow. Big time. Let me turn around here and let you guys see the sky, what I see. Look at that behind me. It looks like snow. But with weather permitting, and that stinks, something stinks coming out of there. We're hoping to get some hiking in. Hoping to anyway. We're gonna walk up and underneath this bridge. It's kind of beautiful through here. But guys, something different. I'm bringing this video to you from Lawrenceburg, Indiana. We still got a little ways to get back to the car, but we're gonna end it now. So guys, leave your comments down there. And hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Better yet, let me swing around and get this shot right here. I know I'm probably making all my viewers dizzy, but look at this. Yeah, it's quite beautiful, isn't it? All right, guys, we're gonna close it out here. And it's just getting a little cold. That wind has got a horrible bite to it, and yeah, we're just gonna go home and eat lunch. So until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Remember, we're hoping to do a lot of adventure videos. So maybe all of next week will be all adventures, if I can pull it off. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure. Yeah! Let's get home. Hey, that has power. I wonder if it's still, I guess it still has power. Huh. Why would they have an outlet there? I have no idea. We'll catch you later, guys.